Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It. It's week 29, edition 29, and since we've been doing kind of like a basketball unit on campus, we are going to do a basketball-focused Minute to Win It this Wednesday. So, in order to shoot a jump shot or a free throw, you should have your hands, or whatever your dominant hand is. I'm right-handed, so this is my right hand. Your fingers spread out as much as possible. And you're going to place it right underneath the ball and tuck your elbow in. And my left hand is just going to be there to balance it or brace it. And what you want to do for a free throw or jump shot is you get backspin. So your elbow's underneath the ball, fingers are spread out as much as possible, and you just spin it. Go straight up, backspin, catch. Backspin, catch. So that's what I want you to do for this edition of Minute to Win It. So get your kitchen timers or stopwatch on your cell phone, set it for 60 seconds, and see how many times you can do this without losing control of it. Get that elbow tucked in, fingers spread out as much as possible. You just use your non-dominant hand to balance the ball. Just like that. I hope you guys have fun with this. It'll help your basketball shooting skills immensely. And until we meet again, scholars, have a good one.